How to lock and unlock your Truist card instantly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you lost your Truist card and want to prevent unauthorized use, well, in today's video I'll show you how to lock and unlock your Truist card instantly using the Truist website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for the Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your account and once logged in, you simply have to navigate to the cards or card services. And there you simply have to find the option to lock card and click it to immediately freeze your card and prevent transaction. And when you are ready to use your card again, you can simply click on lock card to restore its functionality. And that's it. By this way, you can lock and unlock your Twist card instantly for added security. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.